Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change device name on MacBook. So guys, this first thing that you of course need to do is go to and open your MacBook, and you'll have a screen like this displayed. After that, you just need to go and then of course check out what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner we can see that we have the Finder, we have the File, Edit, View, Go, Window, and Help options. In the top right corner, we have the time, of course, Wi-Fi and all of those connections. And in the bottom, as you can see, we have all of your applications. So not all of them, but the applications that you, of course, prefer and you have put there. So guys, now let's see how you can actually go and change device name on a MacBook. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these 2 steps to know how to do it in no time. So when you're here on your desktop, go to the top left corner, and if you have the Apple icon, as you can see, and click on it. And then you just need to go and click on System Settings. After clicking there, you need to go and click on the General in the sidebar, and then go and click on About, and then select the current device name, then type in your new name. Press Enter or click anywhere outside the field to save the new name. Your MacBook should now display the new name that you have, of course, went and set. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.